The sort of current trading volume of Avalanche slide is 118,320,098 and a sort of significant method of Avax cost streak signs of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram which is actually huge. Avax United States dollar medium-term support level has maintained around 13.68, which is absolutely critical. Avalanche slides EMA10 essentially has an extremely lowering pattern in a substantial way. July 19, 2023. In this movie, we will truly lead you through Avalanche slide cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now and truly strive to address these frequently revealed some important difficulties facts. What is clearly a very short-term cost estimate for Avalanche slide is Avax a genuinely wise interest in a genuinely substantial method. Avalanche slide support and opposition levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. But before we get too far into the Avax specialist study, let us first review the exceptionally present market conditions. Market examination over the last 24 hours revealed a loss of 1.84, bringing the specifically entire digital money market to 1,198,816,136,743. Significantly, the overall exchanging volume remains at 30,093,017,822. Which is genuinely critical. Bitcoin holds 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, indicating that Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost outline essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking, which in reality caused Bitcoin's cost to drop down to 29,837.06 66 cents level after a decay of 0.14%. Demonstrating that Avalanche slide support and obstruction levels and so on. Which is particularly critical v BNB, the sort of local coin of BNB sort of is up by 0.18 and is currently exchanging at 240.64 cents, which is genuinely critical. Additionally, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents after seeing a drop of 0.77 in esteem, truly further appearance how Bitcoin shares 48.37 of the entry market. While Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33, which essentially gives that Avax cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in a support and opposition are significant specialized markers used to generally recognize commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which is particularly critical. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers by and large becomes unquestionably more fundamentally dynamic and in every practical sense prevents the coin as cost from falling any further. So July 19, 2023, in this video, we will truly walk you through what actually is the most recent cost forecast for Avalanche slide is a kind of sensible Vax. In every way that truly matters, venture is genuinely huge. Similarly, opposition is a level at which vendors essentially become move kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin as costs from moving higher, which especially shows that these events most certainly demonstrate that the market most certainly is going in an especially descending course for genuinely present moment, which sort of is very huge. Avalanche's sloppy execution. The authentic current Avalanche slide cost is 13.84 cents with a trading volume of 118,320,098 and the variance after 24 hours. The Avalanche slide's EMA 10 essentially reveals a declining pattern, or so they by enlarging thought. Currently, Avax is around 0.77 since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,787,929,307 United States dollars. In an extremely significant way, Avax is currently around 0.77 since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $4,787,929,307 United States dollars. Avalanche slide value examination of Avax cost investigation for July 19, 2023 inside a day-to-day time span in a genuine sense made sense of beneath demonstrating that right now Avax truly is around 0.77 since yesterday with a market capitalization of $4,787,929,307 United States dollars kind of additional appearance how right now Avax truly is around 0.77 since yesterday with a market capitalization of $4,787,929,307 United States dollars. Tracks Trickery Williams %R is almost definitely at 46.057 over the 14-day period, indicating a non-partisan situation. A trading signal in every practical sense is viable at this level, demonstrating how Avax in every practical sense is currently around 0.77 since yesterday with a market value of $4,787,929,307 US dollars. Actually more apparent how Avax is currently around 0.77 since yesterday with a market capitalization at $4,787,929,307 United States dollars in a big way. The Avax United States dollar moving type of regular union and discrepancy. The MACD pointer explicitly shows a sort of present moment, generally sell sort of sign, as the MACD line generally moves beneath the truly signal line, which basically implies generally bears in a genuine sense are ruling on the lookout, which for the most part shows what basically caused Bitcoin's cost to drop down to 29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14%. Bitcoin price prediction. As the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision gets closer, has Bitcoin already hit bottom? The next meeting of the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, is planned for Wednesday. And market participants are eagerly waiting to see what happens and how it might affect Bitcoin and other financial assets. As the FOMC meets to decide on the federal interest rate, the cryptocurrency market is tense. Investors are asking if Bitcoin has already hit its bottom or if there will be more volatility in the future. At the time this was written, one Bitcoin was worth $29,260, and its 24-hour trade volume was a whopping $11.8 billion. The choices made by the FOMC could have a big effect on where Bitcoin's price goes and how people feel about the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Let's take a look at the technical side of the market and see what we can figure out about the Bitcoin price. How much will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, had a big drop in value and was getting close to $28,850. But a recent doji candle that closed just above this key level shows that bearish sentiment may be weakening. Also, the presence of a doji candle and a spinning top candle near the $28,800 mark makes a bullish trend or decline more likely. Also, both the Relative Strength Index, RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, are in the oversold zone, which makes it more likely that the price will turn up. It is important to keep a close eye on the $28,850 level, because a break above it could cause